Just spinning, that's just spinning.
Well, here we go.
Here we go. I feel like I need harnesses.
Yeah. I said that to Warren. I was like, I really want. The more I look at them, the more I want bucket seats and harnesses. And he was like, just don't do it.
Don't.
He was like, yeah. He was like, the moment you do that, the whole car will get stripped. You won't. There'll be no going back. He said, like, that's the point of no return.
It would be the point of no return. But you'd be more.
I was like, wow. I was like, why do I want to return?
Yeah, go on, son.
I can gap you, mate.
Oh, can you though? I see you've already talked it into the wall up there.
How many
when
times?
Did that happen?
I don't know. People just obliterate every few weeks.
I saw it the other day. That's the first time I've ever seen it down.
Oh, it's all the time. They'll repair it and it will be nice new bricks.
Yeah,
It'll be so obvious, and then someone will go flying into it again.
At least your brakes work. Say that.
Stick. It is a mess, isn't it?
That noise sounds better than an ITG, the turbo stuff.
Do you think?
Yeah, that
it's
noise,
changed now. It's a bit
that
more.
noise.
I'm a little bit happier with it.
Yeah, no, that noise is much better.
I guess because it's not coming out the way.
That sounds, yeah, that sounds artificial. That sounds like normal, like how a turbo should be, not just the blow-off valve doing that.
Yeah. It's popping more as well now.
They pop more.
Probably still not as much as like a D cap, but
yeah, true.
let's see if it pops. Do I want a D cap? Probably. Should I get one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More power in it.
Exactly.
We're just gonna rip it along this road.
Yeah, I think so. Makes sense to me, right? I don't know where else to go. Unless we go down the motorway, but how much space is enough space is the real question. Okay, we'll go in a sec. Should we see if I can do this brake boost?
Oh, here we go.
I'm doing it. I'm left foot on it. I don't know. I mean, that just hit 29 psi on the new coach.
Yeah, it's definitely quicker.
That hit 29 psi.
Yeah, that's definitely quicker.
It's
You can feel a bit more torque. You can feel it.
Finally, we've got the punch back. The punch is back. Yeah, no, that hit 29 psi.
I won't even look at that.
It's mental.
I was just looking at it like, there's a tree over there.
Oh mate, I need a limited slip diff now, don't I?
Yeah, diff next. Even with a diff, you'll still get a little bit, but it will help like, so much.
I hope so. Everyone I spoke to were like, oh, it's really going to help around the corners. You'll still feel it in a straight line now. I was like, oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, straight line, you'll still get a little bit of it. You never get away with it, but the way it will put it around the corners. Was you going to go strip it out or not?
I don't know, mate, but my car's making rattly noises more and more now.
Might as well just do it.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know where else to strip out. Oh, look at this guy with his blue lights.
Blue lights? Who's got blue lights?
Ford there.
Mondeo.
Jesus. When I started to turn around that corner, it was like, nope.
Yeah, different. Yeah, diff. Yeah, diff.
Diff is required.
Yeah, diff is needed.
it's yeah, new car again.
Yeah, definitely.
It's not often you
but now
you get to feel a turbo, and then you get to feel a turbo with all the boost.
Yeah.
That's now just traction control all the time.
Yeah, I know. Do back off a little bit. Oh, there's someone behind you. What if you pull in and come back out, and then put it semi off, put it on sport?
See what you're doing.
Yeah, I just want to see what it's like. To see if it will allow it to go, because at the minute you can feel when it just spins, it's taking it back a little bit.
Yeah. You ready to hit a curb?
No, don't. Don't. What the fuck is that? Fiat van with a fucking bar sticker.
That's right. We go left?
Yeah.
Oh, I should have gone. Fuck, I should have gone.
That's right. Oh, there's a nice clean.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you fucked it.
I fucked it. It's much better now though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's much better now. I do like the sound when you just did a little. That
Yeah, it sounds better.
that sounded amazing.
Right, what am I doing? Booting in second, third?
Whatever you want to do.
Probably third, right? We'll just get past this sign and then I'll boot it. Alright, hold on.
It's just spinning. That's just spinning. That was just a massive burnout. That was just like 7k. What?
Fuck me, that's how you send pistons through the bonnet, isn't it? Amazing. Well, there you go. Better?
No, it's
No,
not.
it's still shit.
No, like overall. No, I thought you meant like in sport.
Oh, no.
I was on sport. That was just like mine's fucking quicker than that. It's not putting it down.
No, it's not at all.
That's the trouble though when you go bigger power, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unless it's dry, then
Yeah,
there'll be
you're
days where
cupped.
you'll leave me. But
Yeah,
when
exactly.
it's wet, we'll almost be similar because of how
I'm
much
just gonna be
you're
wheel spinning
spinning, wheel
20%.
spinning. You're not actually putting it down.
Exactly. That's what I was saying when I was with Niall on that first night when it wasn't
Yeah.
acting too bad.
Yeah.
I was just wheel spinning constantly. So even when we done the little drag races, it was like wheel spin, wheel spin, wheel spin,
Yeah.
change gear, wheel spin, wheel spin. That was fun.
That was fun. Time for me to repair it.
Yeah. Will be soon, mate. When me and X go up, maybe you can have a little go.
Ooh.
We'll see.
Tease me like that.
We'll see. See how the night's panning out. I need to rerun Jay now.
Yeah, no, that would be good.
I reckon I'll have him now.
Yeah, I think
I should have him now.
in straight line. Yeah, when
Yeah.
it comes to a roundabout.
I know, fuck roundabouts. You
Yeah.
can have those every day.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if I've got coilovers and limit slip diff, he can have them. He's got a lot more balls than I have.
Yeah. Unless you're on like a motorway, then you might beat him.
Hmm.
Other than that,
It feels quicker. So.
it does feel good. Like, I didn't even look at the gauge because I was too busy looking at the road. Or
Well,
looking at the fucking rev, just go, oh, I don't
We hit 29 psi on that gear change a second ago.
Yeah.
Which is a little bit worrying, if anything. There's a lot
No,
of
it's
boost
fine.
going into the engine, but I guess you're not holding it, are you? So
No, it's just peaking. Yeah, but what's his name? I reckon they run 2 bar, don't they? All of them run 2 bar.
Yeah.
And they haven't lifted a head, and they've been running it on their race car.
Yeah.
The other guy is Dave. I think he used that Dave, didn't he?
So have a little wheel spin here.
Oh dear. Proper Raspberry, I think.
Yeah, I've turned into it.
See, that's a nice flutter. Why would you want? Why would you want?
Jesus. Turn that back on.
Yeah, turn that back on.
No, it's much better now. I didn't like it before.
Yeah.
It was too quiet, but I guess half of the boost is escaping out in different means.
Yeah, no, that was.
Now it's all there, all the noises are there.
Yeah, no, the noises are there.
Well, there you go then.
There we go.
Success.